In episode 60, we see that Yu Hao's dangerous energy caused destruction all around Hao Tian sect. Wang Dong was trying to take people out of Hao Tian sect safely, but at the same time he was also worried about Yu Hao because he could not see Yu Hao anywhere yet. On the other hand, the scene shifted to Yu Hao. I came into the Soul Sea. Everything around me was freezing. Sky Dream and Ice Jade Scorpion Empress were also very upset after seeing this power of Ice Goddess, but on the other hand, Ice Goddess was getting upset and saying, "What is all this going on here? Why did my original power become active suddenly?" Suddenly Master Electrolex also arrived there, who tells the Ice Goddess that this was because Yu Hao absorbed too much of the Ice Jade Marrow's energy at once. He did his cultivation very fast. The extreme ice energy in Yu Hao's Soul Sea suddenly increased a lot because Yu Hao unlocked the two seals made by Sky Dream, and Yu Hao's soul power suddenly improved rapidly. This affected you too. Your spiritual and soul power started increasing rapidly and the energy pressure started breaking the seal around your body. On the other hand, the Ice Goddess says nervously that my energy will be very dangerous. If I cannot control my energy, then because of me, Ice Jade Scorpion Empress, Sky Dream, Yu Hao will all be killed and the entire ancient sect will also be destroyed. Even though everything he said was true because everyone except the Hao Tian sect was trying to save their lives. While Wang Dong was still caring about Yu Hao, he felt that maybe Yu Hao might be trapped somewhere inside. Saying this, Wang Dong was about to move forward and suddenly Uncle Titan appeared there. Uncle Titan comes and stops him. Wang Dong was not agreeing yet, that is why he held his hand. However, during this time a huge stone falls down from above. Uncle Titan stops him with only one hand, but when he was moving the stone away from there, Wang Dong frees his hand and runs away from there, but the rest of the disciples were not allowing him to go inside. There Uncle Niu Tian comes and hits his neck, due to which Wang Dong starts unconscious, and after that he calls the girl from the first place and asks her to take Wang Dong away from this place. By the way, after his departure, he had also told the other disciples to leave the Hao Tian sect. However, after this, we come to Yu Hao. Here we see that he was not able to handle his own power right now. During this, Ice Jade Scorpion Empress asks Master Electrolex if you can create the seal of the Ice Goddess again, to which Master Electrolex says no, this time the power is too much. He is about to be devastated and says that I chose to do cultivation here just to increase my level a little. He immediately asks Master Electrolex, "Senior, do you have any way by which we can get out of here, even if I have to sacrifice myself for it?" "Why not? But I can't let anything happen to my friend's sect and the people here." Now, after breaking the front wall, both Uncle Niu Tian and Uncle Titan come here. They say that while we are alive, you do not need to worry about Wang Dong, and we had already felt some extraordinary power inside you, and after this, both of them fold their hands and say that whatever power they have, come in front of us. Now after that we see Sky Azure, Bull Python and Titan Great Ape in the Soul Sea, who were just in front of Yu Hao's Soul Sea. Here he tells Master Electrolex that we knew there was something special here. He says that if we combine our powers, then maybe we can stop this disaster. Sky Dream on this and Ice Jade Scorpion Empress also says that we will also help, and Yu Hao also says that if my help is needed, then I am also ready for it. After this, Master Electrolex says, "That's okay, now we will stop it together." After this, the last seal that was placed around the Ice Goddess, which was stopping her power to an extent, also gets destroyed and her energy starts spreading all around, due to which Hao Tian, those big mountains of the sect, had also started breaking, but now all five are Master Electrolex, Ice Jade Scorpion Empress, Sky Dream, Sky Azure, Bull Python and Titan Great Ape. They surround the Ice Goddess and try to create a new seal there. Here she used her powers completely. Meanwhile, the Ice Goddess was telling Master Electrolex that all this has happened because of me, Senior. So if to stop all this, then even if I have to sacrifice my life, I am ready. She says that if they remove Yu Hao's soul from his body and destroy it, this energy will stop. But the focus of these people was not on destroying it but on sealing it so that they themselves could survive. Now all of them put in their full energy. Meanwhile, we see that the remaining disciples of Hao Tian sect also provide their spiritual energy to them. They were doing it so that the big formation created by the power of Master Electrolyx could get more energy. However, now they seem to be successful. We see that under that formation, they had imprisoned the ice goddess in a new seal, due to which her power also started to stop, and now they were all happy with this, during which we see Master Electrolyx. It was known just by looking at him that he had used almost all his energy in sealing the ice goddess. However, his happiness did not last long, because suddenly this newly formed seal also started breaking. And now they have no way to control it because they have used all their power, although they try. However, when that seal was destroyed again, there was an ice storm, due to which all the beasts of the forest also died. However, now we come back to Yu Hao, where Master Electrolyx was not even trying because he knew what he had done. Now he immediately starts performing the second ritual, in which he used all his remaining energy. He puts that energy here again on that seal, but this does not recover that seal again, because on this it binds him. Not only was he trying to recover, but now by doing so he asks for his blood from Yu Hao, after which Yu Hao immediately gave it by cutting his hand. Now this blood goes directly and gets absorbed in that seal. After which finally that energy stops spreading rapidly there. Now after this we see Master Electrolyx here inside the spiritual sea, where in front of him was the spirit of Ice Goddess, and now she was about to disappear, so she was saying thanks to Master Electrolyx. Now everything had become normal outside. All the animals had also started coming out of the snow, and the snow had also started melting, but Master Electrolyx tells Yu Hao. He says that he has completely destroyed that form of the Ice Goddess. He was telling Yu Hao that I rebuilt the soul of the Ice Goddess. I rebuilt her soul in such a way that it becomes a new creature, such a creature today. You may have never seen it till now because it did not exist. This special creature will have the space-time power of earth and heaven, and at the same time it will always be in spiritual form. The piece of his soul will now remain inside Yu Hao. However, now Master Electrolyx tells that to do this he has also destroyed the last piece of his soul left. This meant that whatever power he had left, it happened that he had invested in saving the Ice Goddess, and now he is about to disappear completely, hearing which everyone becomes very sad, although Master Electrolyx says that I have lived a very long life, but I never thought that I will be of any use on the day I die. Well, while he was saying this, his body was slowly disappearing. Yu Hao, that soul came into the soul sea, and although I was sad, Electrolyx Master says that I have seen a lot of hatred in my entire life, but the time I spent with you was the most peaceful, even though we did not spend much time together. But wherever my soul goes, I will always remember you. Well, now he tells Yu Hao that I wanted a disciple like you, so will you become my disciple? Now on hearing this, Yu Hao immediately comes on his knees and asks Master Electrolyx. The teacher says, during this time Master Electrolyx was saying that now I do not regret anything in this life, and just saying this, the whole soul disappears from there. Yu Hao runs behind him. But it was of no use, so now he sits there and starts crying. Well, Skydream was also crying outside, and everyone else is also very sad. However, on the other side, Wang Dang comes to his senses, and as soon as he comes to his senses, he immediately says Yu Hao. And he runs away from there shouting Yu Hao's name. Well, now we see that here they had brought Yu Hao to the room of Hao Tian sect, where Yu Hao was still sitting unconscious. Actually he is still trapped in his soul sea, but now suddenly he starts moving, although he had not yet regained consciousness. Due to this, Wang Dong was worried about him a lot. Then we see Yu Hao there in his soul sea. Ever since Master Electrolyx has gone there, Skydream has been searching for Ice Jade, Scorpion Empress and Master Electrolyx. But he doesn't see anyone. Now suddenly Master Electrolyx appears in front of him. He was just in spiritual form, and in reality he is not Master Electrolyx, it is just a message left by him. He tells Yu Hao that if you see me, if you are, it means I am no longer with you. He tells Yu Hao that he already knew this because Ice Jade is not a normal soul spirit like Scorpion Empress and Skydream. That the Ice Goddess can give you the soul ring, but it will be difficult for you to handle it right now, and before leaving I have given her the smallest form of soul, so now you will be able to meet her only when she comes out of that small form. However, the journey will be very long, but whatever lies ahead, you have to handle it because now I am not with you. Now hearing this, Yu Hao starts crying. By the way, that spiritual form of Master Electrolex was also disappearing, but before disappearing, Master Electrolex says that look, I know that you are crying right now, but do not cry because tears are a sign of weakness, and just saying this he left from there. Had disappeared, but then Sky Dream and Ice Jade Scorpion Empress come there. Both of them tell Yu Hao that he has reached level 50, which is a very good thing. However, he tells that he has also used up a lot of his energy in saving the Ice Goddess, due to which he will take some time to recover, and during this time he will not be able to help Yu Hao, but he says that now you are at this level, it is possible that you can help yourself, so now we will meet after some time, and after this he goes on deep sleep, although now outside here, Yu Hao had regained consciousness. Then Wang Dong was bringing him something to eat, and now as soon as he sees that Yu Hao has regained consciousness, he immediately runs to Yu Hao and asks Yu Hao here, I heard that you have lost someone important to you. Gave? Right now Yu Hao was sad, so he doesn't say anything. However, now Wang Dong sits there and says, don't worry, you will be sad about this thing, so I am not going to ask you anything. However, then he says that I have to go to find the soul ring, so I will return in 3 days, hearing which Yu Hao says that I promised that I will help you, so I will also go with you. But then Wang Dong immediately says that no, those were the places. Hao Tian sect has a forbidden area, you cannot go there, hearing which Yu Hao says okay, then I will wait for you here, just take care of yourself there, and now Wang Dong leaves from there. Just now everyone had come out to bid him goodbye, during which as soon as he left from there, suddenly Yu Hao started having a headache. Seeing this, he got scared and started saying what is going to happen again, but when Uncle Niu Tian checks her spiritual sea with his energy, he finds out that the Ice Goddess is about to be born, and they start laughing because they were very scared earlier. However, after this suddenly the scene changes and we see Master Electrolex in the God realm. His soul was called forcefully. Due to this he himself was surprised, but then he hears a voice. She was telling him that you know that I have searched so hard for your soul. Now Master Electrolex asks who are you, but now suddenly Sea God Asura God Tang San and Rabbit Goddess Asura Goddess Xiao Wu appear in front of him. Tang San was saying that you single-handedly saved Hao Tian sect. How could I let you go without rewarding you for this? And with that, episode 60 ends here.